long story short, I was working as a diesel mechanic before, and then I need a change in my career. I need to do something else. I was so tired about trucks. So I asked a friend, and I get the number to a company that work with people and a child that has autism. And one day he asked me if I wanted to go on a workshop with you, Rekha. And I said, absolutely, I want to do that.
How was your experience? What were you thinking about it before, and how was the actual workshop for you?
Uh, Before, I was totally terrified. I didn't know if I am going to fit in. It feels so sophisticated because I'm not that kind of person, what I believed. And it was so clean and it feels so, what you call it, the people was very hands-on. They have good clothes and everything, and I just come there, and so I didn't feel like that I fit in. But then I come in this room that you was, and I feel calm, happiness, peaceful. So it's totally changed when I come into this room.
So what did you learn that you took away, Tobias?
Um, I learned how to see very different to many things. You, you and me, we talked about. I have a very hard grudge to my parents, and you just asked me why I don't let that go, and. I didn't want to because I didn't believe that that was possible to do. But help to this course with you, I took this tools that seeing different, being happy, and believe that they doing what they do, what they think do best. So I stopped judging them, and it feels so much relief.
Awesome. That is so great to hear. So you've taken the tools, you've used them, and you've got a better relationship with your parents now?
Yes, I have a little better with my mother. I don't talk to my father, but that's a lost cause. But I have a little better communication with my mother today what I have before.
And how did it help you in your work, Tobias?
It helped me to be patient. It helped me to believe in people, actually, because before I didn't believe that people are actually have the possibility to change. But in this work and this child I'm working with, it helping me every day to help me believe in people and believe in this child. And I seeing every day how he's working. He working so much. So it's helping me to believe.
Nice. So would you recommend this workshop, Tobias, to parents with special needs children or people who work with indeed special
I
needs
would
children or adults?
I would be totally honest to you. I wouldn't recommend it to people that I don't feel that they want to change their life. If they just want to go on and nagging on how everything is bad in their life, but they want to do anything about it, I would not recommend it for that person. But if it's a person that I feeling, because I I can feel genuine feelings from people. So if I feel that kind of feeling from people, like a family, a friend, a neighbor, or just a stranger people on the street, I will totally recommend it.
So you would recommend it to anybody, whether they have special needs relationships or not, who has an
Yes.
open mind.
Yes, who just have an open mind and want to change their way to see different on everything.
Awesome. Thank you, Tobias. Thank you so much. And I'm going to leave a link for the workshop in the caption and probably up on this video as well. So if anybody wants to attend the workshop, you can click the link and book yourself on. And I just want to thank you again, Tobias. Thank you so much for agreeing to chat with me today and share your experience about the workshop you attended last year.
And thank you for show me to be in this interview because it's so much learning. I'm learning so much. So thank you to help me.
Okay, thank you so much, Tobias. Take care.
Take care of you. Bye.
Bye.